Thank you, Christian Throw, for nominating me for the Ice Bucket Challenge. I now nominate Phil Ivey, John Bon Jovi, and James Boothendorf. You have 24 hours. Good luck. Guys, Evan, I would like to say thank you for nominating me for the Ice Bucket Challenge. I nominate LeBron James, Deion Waiters, and Chris Bosh.
Okay, Hallie.
Thank you, Beckett.
And the Greasaber family.
Thank you, Beckett and the Greasaber family.
Look up and speak up.
Challenge me at the Ice Challenge.
Who do you challenge?
I do. She nominates Miss Van Born and the Easter Bunny.
All right. Michael, put their ice in. Up, Daddy's got to join you.
I would like to genuinely thank Mr. Taylor, Sam Niffen, and SAP Analytics people for challenging me to pour some ice on myself today.
Okay, guys, pick up your buckets. 1, 2, 3. Woo!